Hello friends, I am Aryashree. This is a rainy season model. Today I will tell you one story. There were two flowers, Anna and Sana, in the field. One day, sun was shining in the sky. Both Anna and Sana looked towards the sky. Anna says, "Look, Sana, it's hot, but I am loving it." Sana says, "Yes, I am also feeling good. I love the sun." Suddenly, two big clouds appears and it starts raining. Sana and Anna face the rain. Anna says, "Oh, it's nice and cool raindrops. I love the rain." Sana says, "Yes, me too." Hearing this, the sun was feeling sad and he got angry. He shouted on the clouds, "Oh clouds, clouds, go away, the flowers like me." Clouds shout on the sun, "Oh sun, sun, you go away, the flowers don't like you, they like me." Hearing this fight between sun and cloud, flowers say, "Please, both of you don't fight. Dear sun, please stay. We like you. Dear clouds, don't go away. We like you too." Hearing this, the sun and clouds feel happy and they both stay together in the sky. The flowers also feel happy. Then friends, guess what happens? It's magic of the nature. A beautiful rainbow appears. Anna says happily, "Look, Sana, a rainbow is appeared. It's beautiful and fantastic." Sana says, "Yes, it's beautiful and wonderful." "But Anna, how did it appear?" asks Sana. Anna says, "When clouds are raining and sun is shining, the beam of sunlight passed to the raindrops. Then the beam of sunlight separated into colors. And that is a beautiful rainbow with 7 colors that we see in the sky." Sana, do you know the colors of the rainbow? "Yes, I know," Sana says. "There are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet." Let's sing the rainbow song. Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow in the sky. Sun shines and rays, that is why. Red and orange and yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, that is really true. Sometimes half and sometimes full, but rainbow is really very beautiful. Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow in the sky. Sun shines and rays, that is why. As Sana and Anna are enjoying the rain, the rainbow, the shining sun, all the animals and all the human beings also enjoy it. Children come out with their umbrella to play in the rain. They jump in the puddles, splash, splash, splash. Birds huddle in the tree to dry their feathers. Snails like to come out in the rain. Frogs come out to hop and splash in the puddles. Jump, jump, jump. Peacock dance in the rain. Tiny droplets of raindrops sparkle on the grass. Friends, isn't all this very beautiful that nature has gifted us? Nature is all about animals, trees, sun, clouds, etc. So, we must protect all these things and only then we can enjoy this beautiful and wonderful nature. So, save nature and save Earth. Thank you.